Yes, so very good morning, winter morning to all of you. And are you ready for your math session today now? I'm sure you'll have not forgotten. No, yesterday language was so much fun. And suddenly we've all blanked out. So let's go to Munira teacher. Where are you here?
Here I am.
Are you feeling cold?
Morning.
I also want sweater and come today. Oh my God, everybody.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, good morning everyone. How are you all? Good? Okay. Now let's start our math session, but the rule is please mute yourself and nobody will unmute unless and until I ask you to unmute. Okay? Fine. Chalo. Very good, children. Now let's say our days of the week and months of the year. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, start. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so there are 7 days in a week. So what is today? Tell me. Which day is today?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. That's nice. Now let's do the 12 months of the year. Okay, come on, start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So now which month is
My 13th September is birthday.
Oh, okay. Whose birthday? Whose birthday? Oh, so which month? Sorry?
September.
Whose birthday but?
Abir.
Abir. Okay, Abir. Your birthday is in September. Okay. Now tell me which month is going on just now. Which month? Which month?
January.
January. And which year? Which year?
2021.
2021. Because we just now New Year. Last year it was 2020. Just went on. Last day was Thursday. And we entered in 2021 on Friday. Okay. So now we are in New Year. Fine. So today we are going to learn a new concept in maths, that is addition. What is it? Addition. What are we going to learn? It's a addition. Now what is addition? Addition is something which you have to calculate. It is a very new topic for upper KG children. Fine. Addition means you have to calculate, means you have to add. Add means आपको extra ये add करना, means you have to add मतलब extra चीज ये करना है. Okay. Now see, I have chocolates in my hand. Let's learn what is addition practically. Now I have chocolates, right? So these are the chocolates I have. Now I'm going to put chocolates in my both the hands. So you have to count all the chocolates, right? Now here or in my left hand, I'm going to put 1 and 2 chocolates. So how many chocolates do I have in my left hand? I have 2 chocolates. Now what I'm going to do is, please everyone put it on.
Teacher, one parent is talking. Let me use it.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. And now I have, now let's count how many chocolates do I have in my right hand. 1, 2, and 3. Now everybody count. Can you all see the chocolates?
5.
Yes, in my left hand, I have got 2. My right hand, I have got 3 chocolates. When this both the hands, they come together, and so how many chocolates I have all together? Come on, count. तो हाथ साथ में आते हैं, सब चॉकलेट साथ में आएंगे, तो हाउ मेनी चॉकलेट्स इन माय हैंड? कम ऑन काउंट. 1 2 3 4 5. See, I'll keep it down so that you can count. Okay, my left hand 2 chocolates, in my right hand 3 chocolates. So when they come together, there are how many chocolates? 1 2 3 4 and 5 chocolates. Okay, how many chocolates? 5 chocolates. So this is called additions. Means you have added both the hands. Means both the chocolates in both the hands. Okay. Now let's see. Let's do it again. I have 3 chocolates in my left hand. Okay. If I have 3 chocolates in my left hand and I have 3 chocolates in my other hand, okay, in my right hand. Now I'm going to join my both the hands, and now tell me how many chocolates do I have all together? Come on, count. 1 2 3. Now 4 5 6. Yay! So there are 6 chocolates altogether. Now let's do one more. Okay, let's see. I have 2 chocolates in my left hand and 2 chocolates in my right hand. When I join my hands, so how many chocolates do I have altogether? 4 chocolates. That's nice. Now I have 1 chocolate in my left hand and I have 2 chocolates in my right hand. So now tell me how many chocolates do I have altogether?
3.
3. That's nice. Good. Now every time I won't be having chocolates. Okay. Every time I won't be having chocolates. So what you have to do is you have to use your fingers. Okay. Now here I'm going to use my fingers because I don't have chocolates now. My chocolates are over. What I'm going to do is, if I have the number here 3, okay, if I have got 3, right, the number is 3, and if the number is 4, I'm not going to say all the time, I'm going to join my hands, I'm going to join my hands.
7.
What? Listen, what you have to do is, every time you can't keep on telling, I'm going to join my hands, join my hands. So what you have to do, you have to put a sign. You have to put a addition sign. Okay. So what is the addition sign? Plus. This is a addition sign. Means this is one hand and this is another hand. Means you both are going to join. So that sign is plus sign. Okay. So now tell me, and you can't say all the time all together, all together, all together. No. So what you have to do is you have to put here this sign, that is equal to. Okay, this is equal to sign and this is addition sign, means plus sign. Okay, now I don't have a chocolates. Now I don't have chocolates. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use my finger. Okay, so now this is 3 number and this is 4 number. What I'm going to do is, in my one hand, I have 3 fingers. I'm going to count 3 fingers. 1, 2, and 3. And my other hand has got 4 number. Okay, so I'm going to put 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's count how many fingers are when they come together. Means equal to How many fingers? 1, 2,
8.
4, 5, 6, and 7. So what you have to write here? 7. Okay, this is how you have to do addition. It is very easy. Do it aram se, but don't make mistake in counting. If you're counting, if you will count wrong, what will happen? Your full addition sum will go wrong. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to count properly. Properly you have to count. Now, if I give you the number 2 plus, now let's do here vertically 2 plus 2. Come on, let's do this. Now, on left finger, take 2. On right finger, take 2. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Come on.
4.
What is the answer?
4.
And 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4. That's nice. Now I'll give you, let's take 5. Let's take 5. Come on, let's do it. 5 plus 3. Let's do 5 plus 3. Come on. So 5 finger. It's a big number. Come on. Now don't make a mistake. Chalo. Come on, show me 5 fingers on your left hand and 3 fingers on your right hand.
Come on, let me see, Munira.
8.
Who's doing it? Who is doing it?
Yeah, let me see.
8.
Come on, show me 5 plus 3.
Who is doing it? Lubena ma'am,
Wow.
come on. Show it to Lubena ma'am.
Yeah, Swara, Shravi, very good. Swaraj, karo 5 and 3.
8.
Very good. Superb. 8. Yes.
Very good. So you have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3, 6, 7, and 8. The answer is 8. Very good. Okay, this is what we have done is addition. Understood the concept, okay? I hope you understood the concept. Now, let's do the counting. Okay. Let's do the counting of the numbers.
Daddy.
After counting, let's write the number names.
10 to
1
1.
minute, Munira teacher. Many
Yeah.
are talking in middle. 1 minute. Let me
Okay,
just
okay.
mute.
Please keep yourself on mute.
Yeah, everybody, because when Munira teacher is explaining, you have to listen, bacha. Okay, and parents, please don't talk with the child when they are in mute. Yeah, done. Please unmute yourself, Munira teacher.
Okay. Chalo. Now I want you all to do the counting of the numbers. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 21,
21, 22,
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, now the spelling of number 25 and 26. Yes. Now, who will tell me the spelling? You all know the spelling, right? Let's say that.
TWENTY. 20.
Oh, smart. Who said this? Who said this?
TWENTY. 20.
Yes. T
Wait,
W E N T Y. 20.
20.
Okay. Now listen, Chirag and all. Athar, Chirag, you are talking. You are answering me. Listen, you are not answering me. After answering me, you have to put yourself on mute.
Mute. Everybody mute. Atharva,
Mute yourself.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is 20. Which number is this?
5.
So spelling is F I
I-V-E. 5.
5. So 25. Now the same way it is 26. So the spelling of 26 is 20 T-W-E-N-T-Y. 26 S-I-X. 6. 26. 25 and 26. Okay, so these are the spellings you will have to learn and write. I'm going to give you today in your activity sheet. Now we are going to learn the spelling of June and July. Right? They are the months of the year. Fine. Now let's learn the spelling of June. Now the spelling of June is June starts with J sound. So J, which letter says J sound? Which letter says J sound?
J.
Very good. J. So J, June. J, U, N and E. June. J, U, N, E. June. Now, who will tell me which word is this? Is it a 3-letter word? Is it a 2-letter word? What is it? What?
4-letter word.
4-letter word. But it is a magic E because E comes in the last. So you will sing its name, June. You will say its name, so it becomes June. It's a magic E word, June, right? And now let's learn the spelling of the word July. Okay, come on. Let's try to recognize the sound for July. Now for July, which is the starting sound? Tell me the starting sound for the word of July.
J.
J says what? J
J.
says J. So July is for J. So you have to write J, July. J, U, July. So what will you write for lie? L. What will you write for L?
L.
Which letter will you write? L. So L. And then in the last, July, I. But I had told you the rule that I will not come in the last because I feel shy. So I will call which letter? I will call Y. I will call Y in the last. So the month is July. See, this is the spelling. J, U, L, Y. July. June is J, U, N, E. June. J, U, L, Y. July. Okay. So these are the months of the year. Now, today we are going to learn new shape, which are okay, 2 new shapes which we are going to learn. Last time we had learned hexagon, which has got 6 sides. Today we are going to learn 2 new shapes. Those are, look at this. Hi, how are you? Hello. Okay, can you tell me this shape? Now tell me how many sides are there? Okay, come on, tell me the sides of this shape.
7.
Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are 7 sides for the shape. Now tell me How many sides does pentagon have? Pentagon have how many sides? 5. Pentagon has 5 sides. Okay. Now, tell me how many sides does hexagon has? 6. Yes. And this shape is called heptagon. 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 I'll write the spelling of heptagon. Okay. The spelling of heptagon is H-E-P. Hep. T-A-Gon. G-O-N. Gon. Heptagon. Heptagon has got 7 sides. How many sides? 7 sides. Okay. The objects are not particular objects are there for heptagon. There can be, you can have a watch, clock shape also can be in heptagon. Okay. So box shape can also be in heptagon. But there is no particular thing which has got a heptagon shape. But you should know what is heptagon. And heptagon has got 7 sides. Okay. Now, there is one more shape. Which
You want to see the heptagon, Munira teacher?
Yeah, please show them the heptagon shape. This is heptagon. See, you will see the sides clearly. 1, 2, 3. See, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7. There are 7 sides. Okay. Fine. Yeah, here. Look, see it clearly. Right. Okay. Now, we are going to learn a shape which everybody likes it. Which everybody likes it. And which is red in color. And we have the part in our body. We have the part in our body. Which is that shape?
Heart.
Yes, you're right. We are going to learn the shape heart. This is a heart shape. Hello. Hi, children. How are y'all? And this is a heart shape. Okay. Now, there are the objects which looks like a heart. Okay, which looks like a heart shape. Come on. Jabin teacher, can we see them? Yes, this is a heart shape which is red in color. Okay.
Heart shapes are always red in color, right? Munira?
Yes.
Valentine Day is coming now.
Yeah. Right. And which fruit is this? This is a
Strawberry.
strawberry, which is also red in color. Looks like a heart shape. See? Yes. Now look at this. What is this? This is our body part. The body heart, which is there in our body. Which keeps on beating. Duck, 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 duck. And it is a shape of a heart. That's why it is called a heart. Okay. Yes, it is red in color. This is our part of the body. Yes. Very important. It is a red in color. So today we learned 2 shapes. That is heptagon and heart. And when you do something, when you listen to the teacher, and when you do your homework, and when you listen, when you do a good thing, good work, what does your teacher do? She gives something on your hand. That is a heart shape. She gives you the heart. Okay. And smiley faces. Right. Okay. Yes. Now here we come to an end with our class. So now we're going to call.
Going to call.
Who is going to come?
Today is what?
Knock, knock.
Today's transport, Husaina teacher.
Yes,
So for that,
Husaina teacher.
upper KG, I'll take one round and come. And we
Bye,
will-
children.
Yes,
See you in the next
Yes,
week.
say thank you, Munira teacher.
Thank you. Yes, but I'm coming for yoga.
Yes, yoga, you're
Okay.
coming. Yes, on
Yes.
Thursday. And
Yes.
Zaim, good morning. I didn't meet you yesterday. Happy New Year to Zaim and Shreyas and Burhanuddin. And who else have joined in? Mustafa. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Insia. Happy New Year to you all. Humayani. So cute. I'm seeing yesterday. I couldn't come on the screen.
Teacher.
Yes, good morning. Happy New Year to all of you. Everybody had a good holiday. Yes, yesterday y'all been full 8 to 10 days. Y'all had holiday, right? Everybody saw Christmas fun. Everybody was on the roads to see the Christmas festival and Happy New Year also. So everybody enjoyed, right? And now we are back to online learning and lot of things exciting is going to come. Okay. So anybody went out for a 2-3 day holiday? Anybody went out for a holiday? Yes. Is it everybody has got a nice break and we have come back, and this January month is so cold. You all feel cold in the morning. You all don't want to get up also, right? Because it is so cold and dark and gloomy. So everybody's wearing sweaters. Karanveer is wearing a sweater, I can see. And there is one new child also who's come, who's going to be a friend. Onit is there, right? Is it Onit? Galaxy A30? Yes?
Yes, I think Ira. Ira is the name of the child.
Ira is a new child today. Welcome to Rainbow Kids, Ira. And now, where is Husaina teacher? Jabin teacher? Is Husaina teacher?
Yeah,
still
Husaina
here? Is she
teacher is not
come?
logged. Yeah, she's not logged in yet, Lubaina ma'am. We'll just wait for some time.
Okay, fine. So just let's do some action. Roly poly. Come on, let's sing with me. 1, 2, 3, start. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, out, out, out. Roly poly, in, in. Now let's get some exercise to our fingers. Tomorrow is pre-writing skills. Lubaina teacher is going to make you exercise your fingers and your hand, and we are going to have a lot of fun. So today only we start. Come on. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Give a little clap. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. Lay them on your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them. Come on, touch your chin. Right up to your chin. Open up your little mouth. Do not let them in. Scream out. I couldn't hear anybody. You all were all on mute. It's okay. Come on. Now, I taught you a new poem. Come on, you know. This is my house. Come on, everybody, do with me. Take your face as your house. Come on. This is my house. Where you will knock? Knock at the door. Come on, do this. Knock at the door. Now, everybody open your eyes and say, peep in. Pull the latch. Open your mouth. Pull the latch. Walk in. Good morning, Mr. Chin Chin Choo. Okay, so now I think all of you have joined in, and let's start our session.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Husaina teacher is joining in, right?
Yes, Husaina teacher is joining in.
We'll have a hello and a welcome song.
Yeah,
for
yeah, but
everybody.
by the time Shruti have a hello with everybody.
Yes, good morning, Mohammed Aman. Good morning, Batul, and everybody. A very good morning, winter morning. So let's say hello. Oh, yes, good morning. I missed. Okay, Devansh, good morning. And here, come on, Jabin teacher, can we put the hello song? And welcome all the kids.
Ping pong.
Ping pong, your favorite song. Come on,
Click
action.
here to subscribe.
Yes.
Ping pong.
up, and here is Husaina teacher. Where are you, Husaina teacher? Can we
Yes,
see?
I'm here.
Oh, yeah, Husaina
Hi,
teacher.
everyone.
Everybody's waiting to see
Teacher.
what have you got today?
Oh, today,
No, we are meeting Husaina teacher first. Everybody wish Husaina teacher Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone. How are you,
Yeah.
Wonder? Happy New Year. Did you all enjoy your vacations?
Happy New Year, teacher.
Happy New Year. Very good. Okay.
Teacher.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Now, today, you know what? We have learned about land transport. We learned about road. We learned about waterways. We learned about airways, isn't it? We all learned everything now? But now today we are going somewhere else. Y'all want to know?
Where are we going, Husaina teacher? Where are we going?
Yes. Can everyone see this? Everyone
Yes,
can see this?
yes. What is it?
Can
Come
you
on, tell
guess what it is? Who will tell me? One child. If everyone will answer, how will Husaina teacher here? I only have 2 years. Rocket. Very good. So today we are going to learn about rockets. But rocket runs on a road. Rocket हम रास्ते पे लेके जाएगी. Oh, the rocket will take us in the water. Rockets will take us in the water. Oh, and yes, yes, car we on the road. When you want to go on the landways, you use car and bus. When you want to use waterways, we'll go by ship or we'll go by boat. If we want to go by in the very far places, then we'll use aeroplanes. But now, today, though, we want to go to space. Where are we going today? To the space. And where is space? Space kaha hai? Socho, socho, socho. Space is, it is above Earth. Earth is one planet. We are staying on the Earth. Okay. हम कहाँ पे रहते हैं? We are staying on the planet Earth. Now, today we are going to another place. And that is called space. Okay. And that is beyond, above Earth. Okay. Above Earth you have to go, where aeroplanes will not even to take you. So we have to take another vehicle, which is specially made to take us to the space. And what is the name of that vehicle? What is the name of that vehicle? Rocket. Everyone say rocket.
Rocket.
Yes. Rockets.
Rocket.
Rockets will take you to the space. If you want to go to the space, you have to sit in the rockets and then go. Okay. Now rockets are like, Jimmy teacher, can we see a picture of the rocket? And now, oh wow, see, this rocket is ready on the launching pad. Okay. It has to be on the launching pad. And then all the crew members will make it ready to take a start. So this is a rocket. And now it's on the launching pad to start, to take a takeoff. Okay, now, like other, see, this is the takeoff picture of the rocket. When the rockets go up, like any other vehicle, you have to fill, in the car you have to fill petrol, then only the car will move. If the fuel is not there, the machine, the engine will not work. In the rockets also, they have special fuel, lot of fuel is required and of very good quality. Okay, the liquid which in the rockets they put, and when they light this liquid, when this liquid and the oxygen come together, a fire is produced. And you can see because of that hot gas come, everyone can see that gas which is coming out of the rocket. It is going downwards towards the earth. The gas, and this gas pushes the rocket up. And then the rocket takes the position to go up. So this is the way the rocket works, like any other machine, okay, like any other vehicle. We have to put fuel in the rockets. Now, anyone else can tell me during which festival you all burst rockets?
Rocket is Diwali.
In the Diwali festival. Very good. Then how you all burst the rocket? How you all burst the rocket? आप क्या करते हैं?
Fire.
Yes, you light a fire, and because of that fire, the rocket goes zoom up. Very good. So same way, when the real rocket also has to go up, the fuel has to be burnt. Because of that hot gas, the gas is pulled down, and the force of the gas pushes the rocket up. So this is the way the rocket goes up in the space. And what do rockets take to the space? Rocket खाली खाली जाएगा ऊपर और नीचे आ जाएगा? No. Rockets के अंदर the space shuttle, the astronauts who have to work in the space, the all equipments which are required, everything is kept in this rocket, and then rockets take these things up to the space. Okay, now we learn the different parts of the rockets. There are 4 parts of the rockets. The rocket is divided into 4 parts. The cone. This is the shape, the cone. The fins. Everyone can see the 2 fins of the rocket. The rocket body and engine. Once more we will say the parts of the rocket, okay? The nose, cone. Always the rockets are in the shape of a cone. Fins. They also, like aeroplane, they have 2 fins. The rocket body, okay, the rocket body, and the engine for the rockets to work. So these are the 4 parts of a rocket. Now, the most important part of the rocket is what you all know? The shape of the rocket, which is in the nose cone form. This shape, why it is in a nose cone form? Because when the rocket is going up, there is lot of air, moving here and here. So to keep the rocket in the position, to keep the rocket in the direction it has to go. Excuse me. So to keep the rocket not shaking, this nose cone keeps the rocket in the stable form. That is why the rockets are in the shape of a cone.
You want
Nose
to show
cone.
them the parts of the rocket, Hussaina teacher, the picture of the parts
Yes.
of the rocket.
Yeah. Let's see the picture. See, everyone can see the tip, the nose cone. Okay, so that why that is very important. It is the uppermost part of the rocket. It is the uppermost part of the rocket which helps the rocket to stay stable. When it goes up, there is a lot of breeze, there is a lot of air. The rocket shake ho jayega if it is not stable. Okay, and it has to go upwards. That is why it is always in the nose cone. So nose cone and fins help the rocket to stay stable. Okay, when it is going upwards. And in this nose cone, now the body. When you see the body, it is in the cylinder form. In this body, there is fuel. It carries fuel is there, okay, for the engine to burn. The engine which burns the fuel is there in this body. In this nose cap also, all the equipments which they require in the space, the astronauts, the crew members, other members, all they are in the nose cone. Okay, and in the body there is a fuel. And the last part is the engine. Now, engine, as I told you, it burns the gas, the hot gas. Can you see the flame? It is shown in the zigzag form. The flame, this flame helps the rocket to move. So the 4 parts of the rocket: nose cone, fin, body, where it has all the fuel, and the engine. Then in this, the oxygen liquid, hydrogen liquid, all the liquids are there in the rockets. Okay, so which is burnt, and it helps the rockets to go up. And they take the astronauts and all the equipments in this nose cone. It is kept. Javi teacher, can we show them the video and then again we can explain them?
Yes, I'll show them the video where the kids enjoy seeing the parts, okay? So let's see how
Yes.
the rockets and all the parts are made, and then
All
how
the
it goes
parts
up
we
in
can
the
see
sky.
Yes.
1 second. Yeah, Lubana teacher, you can just pause the recording once I put the video.
Okay, now we'll see the actual making of the rocket and how does the rocket go up.
Yes, so this is how the astronaut goes in the space in the rocket. See, he's flying, right?
Okay, so today what we learned, which vehicle we learned? We learned about the space vehicle, in which we learned about rockets. Yes, rockets take you to the rockets, and in rockets, when you sit in the rockets and go where? We go to the space. And how many parts of rockets are there? The nose cone, rocket body, fins, and engine. The main part is the uppermost part, which is called nose cone, in which it, because of the air pressure, the rocket is made in such a way, is designed in such a way, it can resist the air pressure and be stable when it goes up. And all the astronauts are there inside, all the equipments are there inside the nose cone. And in the rocket body, only fuel is carried. Because when the astronauts go up in the space, yes, they have to stay for many days, many weeks. So they have to carry all the fuel with them. Okay. So when the rocket has to go up, a lot of fuel is required. So in the body, only fuel is there. And the engine helps the rockets to go upwards. When in the engine, the fuel burns and hot air is produced. Due to the hot air, the gas is pushed down, and because of that force, the rockets go upwards. Do you all remember one more air we had learnt about, in which hot air is burnt? We have to burn, then it takes you. Can you all tell me which one it was? Hot air?
Hot air balloon.
Yes, in that also we learned, isn't it? Okay, when the fuel is burnt, then the inside air becomes hot and outside air is cool. So the inside air, when it becomes hot, it pushes the balloon and the balloon moves it forward. Okay, so same way. Yes, in the same way, rockets are also used in this way. Okay. Now, yes, you also have a rocket. Wow.
Ma'am, I have paper rocket. I show you.
Okay, sure.
I have ball rocket.
Oh, wow. So you all want to be an astronaut when you all want to be big? You all want to be an astronaut?
Yes.
Wow. So you have to first become a scientist if you want to be
Ma'am,
an
I
astronaut.
have my rocket.
Show me.
Yes, Karanveer has drawn a rocket for you, okay? See,
Oh.
Karanveer has
1
drawn
minute,
a
let's
rocket.
spin video. Abir waited. I can see Abir. See Abir rocket. Wow. You made it or you had it in the house?
Ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else wants to show the rocket? Quickly get a rocket if you have in the house.
Yes, Muhammad.
Yes, Mohammed has drawn a
Very
rocket.
nice.
Yes.
Mohammed
Oh, wow.
Bharman has drawn a rocket.
We have so many astronauts with us.
Hussaina teacher, please drink little water. Maybe you will get a little relief.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So that was nice. Abir and Karanveer has drawn a rocket. Luki Puki, what have you got? A rocket in the book? And Mohammed Bharmal has got a rocket. And Karanveer is drawn. It's very easy to draw a rocket. I'm sure Zainab teacher will teach you which rocket with shapes. We'll tell Zainab.
Oh, wow.
She really does it well. Okay. Fine. So anything else, Hussaina teacher, to tell them?
No, we have finished with the session actually.
Okay.
Okay. We have one more video. We can show them, Javi teacher?
No, Sana teacher, we don't have that video.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. So now everybody try to make a rocket on the slate with shapes. Okay, Hussaina teacher
Yes,
showed
but
you the triangle.
Rubaina ma'am, next session, Hussaina teacher is going to make a
Now
rocket.
we are
with
going
us.
to make a rocket and we are going to say a poem on it. Okay, we are going to learn a nice poem on it.
Okay, fine.
Okay, we are going to make a rocket. Everyone will make. Who has one can keep and we make one. Okay, so
Okay,
2
fine.
rockets you will have.
Okay. So that's
Oh, wow.
thank you, Hussaina teacher. I'm sure all the children want to become astronauts. Okay, if you want
So
to
many astronauts will be there.
go to the rocket.
Next session, we are going to learn about.
Ma'am, I want to be scientist. I don't want to be
Yes.
astronaut.
No.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
Okay. You have to be first a scientist to
Okay.
become
Who
an
wants to
astronaut.
become an astronaut? Hussein, you want to become an astronaut? Mustafa, you want to become? All the
Yeah,
boys and the girls. Shravi, no. Shravi saying boo. Okay. Chalo.
Next, we are going to learn about astronauts, and I'll tell you who was the India's first lady astronaut. Okay, we'll guess the name. Okay.
No, Hussaina teacher, let them survey and keep it. Let them
Okay.
ask your
And
mama, your papa.
your name same. Okay.
Yes.
We'll see that. Okay.
Fine.
You all also keep the name ready, and I will tell you the name. Okay.
Yes. So come on, Zainab teacher, are you ready? Where is Zainab? Okay, upper KG
Yes,
children.
we
if
say thank you,
please-
Sana teacher.
Yes.
Bye,
thank you.
everyone.
And then if you feel
Bye,
upper KG wants to take a
Bye,
break
Vikram.
and you want to log out, please log out. And lower KG, be ready with Zainab teacher. Fun with numbers. Hello, Zainab teacher.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning, everyone.
So everyone is ready with numbers today? Yes? Let us start counting our numbers. Okay? So everyone, come on, get ready with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay? So that was our number counting. Now let us revise our number recognition. Okay? Everyone is ready? Yes? I'm going to ask you all to read. So come on, get ready everyone. Wait a minute. Come on, let us start. Okay? Who will read for me the first row of this number? The first one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow. Wow, stop. That was nice. But one at a time. If everyone will read together, I will get confused, isn't it? So one at a time. Okay, now who will read next? Come on, tell me. Which number? Come on. 6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9.
10.
No. How you
1,
have to
0,
read?
10.
Correct. 1, 0, 10. Very good job. Now the next. Which
1,
number?
11. 1,
Very
2,
good.
12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15.
Wow. Super. Good job. Now let's go behind. Okay. Now we go to the next page. 1 minute. Okay. So now what comes after 1, 5, 15?
16.
No. Again. We're saying 16.
1, 6, 16.
1, 6, 16.
16. 1, 6, 16.
1, 7, 17. Then,
1, 7, 17.
okay. Then, 1, 8, 18. Next,
1, 19.
1, 9, 19. Then,
2, 0.
2, 0, 20. Very good. Now the next I will read and you all will repeat after me. Okay? Come on, let us start. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. Now the next page. This is the new page. Okay, now what comes after 2, 8? 28. 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30. Come on, everyone. 3, 0, 30. 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. Okay, so this is our new numbers. We have crossed 30 now. Okay, so read them nicely. Now, I've asked you all to keep paper and pencil ready. Have you all kept it ready? Yes, because what are we going to do today? Today we are going to, you have kept it ready? Very good. Because today we are going to write our numbers 1 to 14. Yes, we are going to start writing our numbers with me. Okay, one below the other. So, on your paper, what you have to do first, I want you to write on top T-U. See how I'm writing? Capital T and capital U. Like this. Come on. Because you have to write your numbers correctly. Okay, one below the other. How I will write. You don't have to write them anyhow. It has to go properly. So first write on top T-U on your paper or on your slate, whatever you have kept ready. Okay, so shall we start? Who will tell me which is the first number? Which is the first number? You don't know which is the first number in our maths? We will start right. 1. Yes, very easy. Now, where will you write 1? 1 will come below U. 1. Will you write it below T? No, you have to write number 1 below U. Units. Okay, so write 1. Come on, start writing. You have to write 1 below the other nicely and neatly.
10 units.
After, yes, this is tens and units. So when the number is only one single, we write it below U. Now what comes after 1? After 1 comes?
2.
Yes, it has to go very fast. So come on. Below 1, you will write number 2. Come on, write. Are you all writing? I want everybody to write. Show me. Come on. Let me see your pages. How you're writing. Everybody write nicely. Yes. Who is this? Asab. Okay. Write it straight, bacha.
Very
Not a
good.
crooked line.
Let me see.
Write it straight. Asab.
Yes.
Straight right. Okay, bacha, write it straight, one below the other in a straight line. If you have taken your square books, it will
Not
come
like
perfect.
that, but you're wrong.
Yuan, let me see. Okay, Yuan, good job. Touch your squares properly. Okay. Now, what will come after 2? Who will tell me? After 2 comes? 3. So, come on. Write number 3. See, they all are coming one below the other. Under which column? Under column U. Nothing is there below T. Okay? T ke niche kuch bhi nahi hai. It's all empty. It will come later. So come on everyone, write 3. Very good, Hussain. After 3 comes Next number. Come on, tell me quick. What comes after 3? Come on. I'm waiting for your answer. After 3 comes?
4.
4. So come on, write 4.
Chalo, you're writing below.
Yes,
You,
one
okay?
below the other.
Yeah, below you.
Yes, below you. All will come below you. Write nicely, everyone. Make your numbers perfect. Yes, I'm sure you all know how to write it nicely. Now, what will come after 4? After 4 comes? Huh? What? 5. 5. Okay, after 4 comes 5.
5.
Come on. Write 5. Very good. Come on, write it nicely. Just a minute, children.
Come on, after everybody's written, show me till then. You can show me. Yes. Below you.
Come on. Now, what will come after
Now,
5?
Karanveer, your writing is becoming good. I can see everybody's improving. Devansh is writing or no? Alifia, are you writing or listening?
Come on. What will come now after 5?
Luke, I want to see your writing. Show me.
After 5 will come which number? Come on, tell me.
Lovely. Nice, Luke.
What will come after 5, children? Come on, fast.
Come on, after 5.
6. Very good. So come on, write 6. Again below you.
Sakina is writing. Sakina. Muhammad. Yes. Sujal.
Teacher, 6.
Yes.
6. Very good. Correct.
Yeah,
After 5 will come 6. Write it nicely, everyone. Good job. Come on. Have you all written 6? And what will come after 6? What will come? After 6 will come 7. Come on, write.
Come on, Christopher, are you writing
7.
or no?
Write
Christopher,
nicely.
write.
Come on.
Come on. Very good, Hani. Very good, Intia. Very good. Sakina, Muhammad Aman. Muhammad Aman is sitting in uniform. Very good.
After 7 will come. Come on, tell me. 8. Very good. So come on. After 7 will come number 8. So write an 8. See how they're coming one below the other. Yes, in a straight line, isn't it? Yes. Come on, write 8. Very nice. Everybody is writing. You're enjoying to write? Yes. What will come after 8? After 8 comes which number? Come on, tell me. After 8 comes? Tell, come on. 9. Very good. So after 8, you will write number 9. Very good. Come on. Quickly write your number 9. Have you all written 9? Children? Now, after 9 will come which number?
1, you 10.
Very good. Now, how you will write 1, 0, 10? It is a 2-digit number. Yes? So, 1 will come under T. Yes? 1 will come under T. So, you will write 1, 0, 10. See? Now, 1 has gone under T and 0 will come under U. So, write it correctly. 1, 0, 10. Very good. Come on. Now, who will tell me what will come after 10? After 10 will come which number? Correct. So, come on. Again, you will write it properly. 1, 1, 11. See? 1, 1, 11. Now, all these are 2-digit numbers. Yes? So, they will come under T and under U. So, write it correctly. What will come after 11? Which number comes after 11? Correct. Come on, write. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Very good. Very nice, everyone. Come on. After 12 comes which number? 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. Very good. So come on, write. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Very good. And which is the last number till now we have done? What will come after 13? Very good. 1, 4, 14. Very good. Write down. Come on. So till now we have written our numbers till 1, 4, 14. Yes, everyone? Did you all write your numbers? 1 to 14, everybody? Come on, who will read? Who will read the numbers? Come on, show me your page and start reading what you have written. Who is reading for me? Devansh? Come on, start Devansh. Read your numbers. Come on, Devansh. Show me your sheet. Show me your page. Very good. Come on, start reading, Devansh. Look and read. Read karo. Loudly, Devansh.
3, 4, 5,
6,
7, 8, 9, 1, 10.
Very good. Then,
1, 1.
very good. 1, 1, 11. Yes. Then,
1, 2, 12.
very good. Then,
1, 2, 13.
very good.
1,
And
2,
very good. Very good, Devansh. Good job. Okay. So you all have finished writing numbers till 1, 4, 14, everyone? Yes? Everyone is perfect in that. Okay.
Lovely.
Now-
Everybody knows. Yes, yes. In Sia's also we saw.
Okay, very good. So everyone is done. Okay, now today we will write a new number which will be 1, 5, 15. You will get a worksheet on that. So you have to now write the new number. After 1, 4, 14 comes 1, 5, 15. So we will be doing that afterwards. Now today let us see a new shape. Okay, ready to see some new shape today? What I've got for you? Okay, let us start. Okay, now what I have got for you is, wait. Now see, we all have done this shape. Which shape is this? Who will tell me? Which shape is this?
Tell me.
Square, correct. Yes, very good. This is a square with 4 equal sides, right? Now, tell me, can this square stand? Does this square stand? Is this square standing, everyone?
अभी ग्रेवीज में क्या करो आप वन डब्बा के बदले दोनों हैदराबादी आई लाइक
The square is to stand. Why? Because it is a 2D shape and it is flat. See, the square is flat. That is why it cannot stand. I can stick it. If I stick it, then only it will stay. If I hold it in my hand, then only it will stand. It cannot stand on its own. It will fall. Okay? But there is one shape, okay, which is square, but it's a 3D shape. Do you know which shape that is? See? This is also looking like a square. Yes. But see, this square can stand on its own. Is Zainab teacher holding the square? No, it can stand on its own. See, this square cannot stand on its own. It will fall because it's a flat shape. But this is a 3D shape. And you know what is the name of this shape? This is a cube. Yes, see, it's a box. See, it's a 3D shape. It's a square-shaped box called a cube. Yes, it's a 3D shape, so it can stand on its own. Yes, and do you know what? This cube has 6 faces. See, can you see? This is the one face, one square, right? Like that, this cube has 6 faces. How many? 6. Shall we count? Come on, let us count. This cube has how many faces? Okay, come on. Everyone will say it with me. See? 1. Okay, 1. Then 2. Okay. 3. See? 3.
मैंने सब
4. Okay. Then 1 is on top. Here, if I turn it. 5. And 1 is here. 6. Yes. So see, this cube has 6 faces, 6 square-shaped faces on it, isn't it? Did you see? Did you count with me, everyone? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so everyone, this is a cube, okay, a 3D shape which has 6 faces. Show me on your finger. 5 and 1, 6 faces. Okay, so in your house, I'm sure you will be having this shape. You will be having a cube. It can be a square box. It can be a cheese cube. Yes, a dice. Excellent. A dice is also into a shape of a cube. And cheese cube. You like to eat cheese? That can also come in the form of a cube. And what is there in the fridge? In the freezer? In the freezer, what is in the shape of a cube? It is an ice cube.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ramesh, you can tell them to go to the fridge after the session and see.
Yes, you can open your fridge and inside you can check in your ice tray. The shape of ice is also in the shape of a cube. So you will get to see cubes all over your house. Okay, now I have a small video. So do you want to see the video on cube? Yes, Jabin ma'am, can we have the video please?
Yes.
Yes, Virana ma'am, can you just pause the recording?
Yes, I will do that. Burhanuddin
Let us take a
Jinnarwala.
These are missing numbers. You remember I told you a small story about how all the numbers were walking in a line and some of the numbers went missing, isn't it? So now let us quickly revise our missing numbers 1 to 10. Okay, now see, again some of the numbers have gone missing. So you are going to tell me. Now read for me, which number is this?
1.
1. Yes. Now what will come after 1?
2.
Correct. After 1.
2.